Hello, my name is Paul Gregory and I'm Senior Customer Success Manager at Skillable. I'll be delivering the Lab Developer Workshop in March. So this March, on the 31st, we will be again, as per the new format, having a quick conversation looking at platform updates around the TMS and the LOD platform. And having spent somewhere between 30 minutes and 60 minutes, depending on the updates, we will then actually look at the workshop content. So the workshop this week is going to focus on an introduction to the LOD API. So we're actually going to look at, first of all, the different API touch points that we actually have both into the TMS and into the LOD platform, and then dig a little deeper in the LOD API. Now, I can fully understand a lot of people at this point will then panic going, oh, I can't program and so on and so forth. That's perfectly okay. This is not a developer's look at the API. What we're going to do is we're going to use tools that allow us to query the API. So this will allow you to get a better understanding of maybe how the TMS works with the LOD platform, or if you wanted to look at maybe utilizing the API for your own integration scenarios. So there'll be no coding, there'll be no writing web pages or anything along those lines. So please don't panic about that. We will end up actually looking at how we can use the API for the purpose of reporting as well. So there will be a couple of activities where we will do some reporting related work. Now this will utilize some scripting, but the scripting will all be provided for you. So again, hopefully just showing you how we can extract data from the platform, which then you could maybe take off to an alternative product to be able to chart or present the data in a way that's more advantageous for your organization. So please come and join me on the 31st of March for this Lab Developer Workshop. As always, you can register for the workshop via the skillable.com website, or you can speak to your account executive who can organise your registration for you. And again, we'll be running two events. So we'll be running one which will be morning European time, and then one morning Eastern Standard Time. So hopefully you'll be able to attend one of those events. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you on that event.